Was this embroidery kit actually beginner friendly? Did it have all the supplies? Was the printed patterns hard to follow? I had lots of questions, and so far I'm pretty impressed. Even for someone like me who doesn't know anything, it couldn't be more detailed step by step by step, teaching you not only the pre-printed patterns, illustrated instructions, step by step, even video tutorials to walk you through 31 different stitches, and each one of the 4 pieces has its own theme, own colors, own unique style. I really love that everything is in one box, so I don't have to roam around the store not knowing what I'm doing. This is a 7.8-inch hoop. It seems well made with the wood and the construction. I think it's going to hold up fine for the 4 projects. 16 colors of the embroidery thread, and I also love that it comes with the identification of all the numbers for these. So if you do want to get more of the same color, you do have the number identification there. It also comes with 9 of the needles. These look well made. I think these will work just fine. Looks like a little bit variety of the sizing and strength there. You've got your scissors. This looks like a seam ripper. I'm pretty sure. Let me just double check. That looks like a seam ripper. Yeah. Good quality seam ripper there, as well as these threaders are pretty cute with the pink. 2 of those, and you get the full constructions and all of the pre-printed cotton cloths. These have a nice texture to them. I love that the print on there is pretty easy to see. You've got 4 different colors, from your blacks, deep gray, a light kind of a beigey. I think these are well made. I'm pretty impressed with the durability of those. I think they're going to hold up just fine. And finally, your white. I would say this solves the problems of not knowing where to begin with embroidery, feeling overwhelmed by a complicated pattern, all the supplies all together. You don't have to run out of anything as a beginner, and you can just start, relax, and have a creative hobby at home. So I'd say this is great for beginners. Everything in one box teaches you 31 foundational steps, clear guides. You get the video tutorials, all of the patterns, remove the guesswork, and I think you can do it with confidence. Thanks to the seller for sending it over. Hope this helps.